Aviation, Sri Ashok Gajapati Raju, another important milestone in his journey in India. Together. There we go. Everyone, can we have a round of applause?
We have plans to certainly expand our footprint here in India. I think there are upcoming commercial but particularly military opportunities to do so. And we see India as a great place not just to sell helicopters but also increasingly to manufacture and assemble helicopters. And hence our plans for helicopters, Airbus helicopters in India, are no less ambitious than for the commercial aircraft.
Okay. The gentleman in the front has a question. Here they are signing the contract.
We figured out, you've seen the 570 aircraft in backlog, that on average we will deliver one aircraft per week in the next 10 years. And hopefully, the backlog is not static, it's dynamic. Hopefully there will be many more aircraft coming into this backlog in the coming years.
In the coming years, with the growth of our airlines and
We want to build the future of aviation, ladies and gentlemen, right here. We know there's a huge request for trained pilots, for trained mechanics, maintenance, engineers, etc. And I hope, or let me say, I'm sure we can leverage this very important training center for India and Asia. Eventually we can expand it and we will expand.